Here are some amazing facts about the European bee eater. Scientific name, Merops apiaster. Colorful plumage, they have vibrant plumage with green, blue, yellow, and brown feathers. Size, similar in size to a starling, about 27 to 29 centimeters long. Distinctive calls, known for their distinctive, mellow, liquid, and burry prreee or prruup calls. Migratory birds, they breed in Europe and migrate to tropical Africa for the winter. Colonial nesters, they nest colonially, often in sandy banks or river shores. Tunnel nests, they dig long tunnels in which they lay their eggs. Egg laying, typically lay 5 to 8 spherical white eggs. Both parents care, both male and female take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. Insect diet, primarily eat insects, especially bees, wasps, and hornets. Bee sting removal, they remove the stings of bees by hitting them on hard surfaces before eating. Daily consumption, can consume around 250 bees per day. Efficient diet, they convert food to body weight more efficiently when eating a mixture of bees and dragonflies. Breeding season, breeding usually starts in May, with egg laying around early June. Monogamous, mostly monogamous, though occasional bigamy has been observed. Communal roosting, they roost communally, often in large groups. Gregarious nature, highly social birds, often seen in flocks. Habitat preference, prefer open country, woods, river valleys, meadows, and plains. Global distribution, found in Europe, northern and southern Africa, and western Asia. Strong flyers, known for their strong and agile flight. Courtship feeding, males often feed females during courtship. Long migrations, migrate long distances between breeding and wintering grounds. Brightly colored, one of the most colorful bee-eater species. Lifespan, can live up to 6 years in the wild. Predation impact, their predation on bees is minimal, affecting less than 1% of bee populations in their habitat. Distinctive eye band, have a black eye band starting at the base of the bill and extending past the eye. Perching behavior, often seen perched on exposed branches or wires. Synchronized movements, known for synchronized flying and feeding movements. Efficient hunters, catch insects in mid-air with precision. Non-vocal nesting, generally quieter at nest sites compared to during foraging. Wide habitat range, adapted to various habitats, including savannas, wetlands, and semi-deserts. Ecological role, play a crucial role in controlling insect populations. Protective parents, both parents are highly protective of their nests and chicks. Cultural significance, featured in folklore and stamps in various countries. Sexual dimorphism, males are typically brighter in color than females. Juvenile appearance, juveniles are greener and paler than adults. Threats, face threats from habitat destruction and pesticides. Conservation status, classified as least concern by the IUCN, nesting colonies, can be large, with numerous pairs nesting close together. Foraging range, can forage up to 12 kilometers from their nesting site. Avoiding apiaries, prefer pastures and meadows over apiaries for foraging. Adaptability, can adapt to various environmental conditions and changes. Eyesight, excellent vision to spot and catch insects in flight. Migration triggers, migration is triggered by changes in day length and temperature. Group dynamics, exhibit complex social behaviors within flocks. Food storage, sometimes store excess food in their nests. Species recognition, recognize each other through vocalizations and visual cues. Weather adaptations, adjust foraging strategies based on weather conditions. Parental roles, Both parents are involved in feeding and protecting the chicks. Energetic flyers require high-energy food due to their active lifestyle. Fossil records. Fossils suggest they have existed for millions of years. Feather maintenance. Spend significant time preening to maintain their feathers. Play behavior. Juveniles engage in play to develop hunting skills. Long-term bonds. Pairs often form long-term bonds. Nest defense. Aggressively defend their nests from predators. Temperature regulation. Use behavioral strategies to regulate body temperature. Migration patterns. Follow well-established migration routes. Rest stops. Use specific stopover sites during migration for rest and feeding. Survival rates. High mortality rates during the first year of life. Scientific interest. Studied extensively for their unique behaviors and ecology. Climate impact. Climate change poses a potential threat to their migration patterns. Human interaction. Sometimes considered pests by beekeepers. Hybridization. Rare instances of hybridization with other bee-eater species. Molt patterns. Undergo regular molting to replace worn feathers. Leg strength. Strong legs for perching and digging nests. Community cooperation. Sometimes cooperate with other bird species for protection.